again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. Thank you for joining me. This is Wing It 101. I got leftover paint and a desire to use it and no idea what to do, other than the fact that I have some scoops and I had a canvas hanging around and I've got plenty of paint if I want to use it to do whatever I want with it. And that usually includes, oh, I left the gold inside, darn. Okay, big bottle of gold is inside. So, I think the OXO omelet turning spatula has not had enough use today, so I'm going to do something with it. I have paint bottles in my way. My camera may or may not stay going, so I'll apologize now if you lose me. It's in the 90s out here and I've just made 2 videos, so it's illogical to think that I will continue to be able to make more, but that doesn't keep me from being optimistic. I live in hope. Now, black and white often sell together. I use no silicone in my priming process or in my paints. Fortunately, I can almost see the difference between canvas and white paint. I'm going to try and prevent myself from getting too involved in trying to cover the edge of that. I don't know what I'm going to get yet. I am going to throw my spatula. Am I? No, I'm going to wipe my spatula off in case I want it again, because I think the alternative spatula is already in the bucket. So let's just do whatever comes naturally and have some fun and clean out my ice. No spiders allowed in this. Hey, off my finger, you. And if I don't like a color, I will cover it up with another color. We are channeling Jackson Pollock with no idea if this will look good or not, but we have chain and we have little dishes to little scoops and all kinds of stuff. So I'm just gonna see what will come out right now and let it all go down before it gets any weirder. It's pretty weird right now. I've got some other colors too, but it never stopped me from. That's going in the bucket. I've already made 2 paintings with it. I'm satisfied that I got my usefulness out of the paint that I had. I hate wasting paint, but under these circumstances, maybe it needs to happen. I didn't put any gold in there. I might just tilt this once and get what I want. I can't imagine that that's going to work out, but maybe if I imagine it, it might work out. Oh, I forgot my paint. That's not good. Alright, let's just use the paint that we've got where we think it will look good. Let's let that drain. See, those are my colors. I saw something rather large in there earlier and I want it out. It occurs to me I have a blown up glove below me, so I could do a, what do they call them, balloon roll or balloon kiss or some variation on that theme. That's going in the bucket too. That looks fairly horrible. I think if I get a couple more things out of my way, I'll be able to operate a little better. I'm looking for some Prussian blue. Unfortunately, it doesn't seem as though I'm going to be allowed to have it. That's going in the bucket. I did mention this was Wing It 101, right? Oh. So, let's just do the white thing. Let's see what happens. Oh, a whole strand. Do I want to do that? No, but I have a partial strand. Oh, what was that? Something very large and hairy. I always wanted to just be belligerent. Oh, that's right, I'm already belligerent quite frequently. I expect the potential is there, even if the results don't show yet. Although that's kind of cool. Throwing my beads in the bucket. Grab an edge catcher. I don't think I'm going to need scoops again today. What color do I want in there right now? Whoa! That was way, way, way more than I anticipated. I have... This usually dries darker, but I want some anyway. Maybe if I use enough, I can get it to work out for me. She said very, very optimistically. I have a similar color that I'd like to use near it. In a second I'll have too much paint, but since it was all leftover paint anyway, it hardly matters. And when I see what's happening, I can choose what to do about it. If anything. Alright, so I want black. I don't know why it comes out sideways, but whatever. It's time to be thoroughly crazy and utterly belligerent, an abstract expressionist, and then some. Try and pay attention to my colors in a minute. Right now, we have an abundance of paint that I want. Ooh, I have a gnat trying to get up my nose. No gnat. No gnat nose. Please. Did I mention that it's hot? It's like 90 degrees out here. Well, it's getting a little better. Hey, that's pretty cool. You know what? Maybe it's time to put the white in and try the balloon roll. Or whatever color I'm going to put in. Maybe let's start with the gold. Kind of like that up there. I wish I hadn't put that right there. I think I'm going to use my my balloon roll glove to add paint to the edge of my canvas instead of wiping it off anywhere else, which is actually not a bad idea right at the moment. Because I can always go back to work on it after. So I have something. I think my t-shirt's going to get a balloon roll coating, because I don't actually have any puppy pads or anything other people pour off, because I don't pour off. I still want some white or black, and to check my edges. But I'm thinking that this this balloon roll, little gnat, please leave my face. They have liked the paint all day today. All right, so I kind of want some blue actually now that I'm here, and one fewer gnat, and maybe whatever's handy is a piece of chain. And I think I found myself a piece of naked canvas, so that wasn't a bad idea. We've got all kinds of cells coming from the Floetrol GAC 800 Deco Art pouring medium I use as a mix. I'm not sure I like that as much as I liked it a minute ago anymore, but maybe if I turn it this way, yep, that'll work. Do I want to use the same side? Ooh, that was something. And there's something else. Maybe it's time. It's time to find the white. I'm not sure that's what I wanted. Oh, there it is. I like what I see on the glove. That's pretty cool. I'm going to like it on my shirt later too, I can tell you now. It makes some nice cells, and there's no silicone, like I said, in this mix. I think I'm done with that. I think all that's left is to decide if I want to go back and hey. Let anything fall over. There's a lot going on in there, I gotta say. Maybe more than I really wanted. It's pretty extreme. Very abstract. Looking for stuff I can see in the light. Oh, I like that. That's cool. Now, if I had a little bit of silicone oil, I could probably dip a comb in there and make some interesting things happen. But I think since I don't, I am inclined to do what? This is interesting here. I don't know if I like it as much as I want to. I think maybe, nope, wrong length. Yep, I got nothing but long chains. Well, I used to say I was addicted to chains, so I might as well throw some in there, I think. And I love that turquoise, but I just eradicated some of it. And I like using whatever one's up on the chain. And I like everything down at the bottom there. So I don't think that's a good idea. This up here is bothering me. That chain's going in the bucket. And I am going to try my best to use paint that I like. Not feeling super successful about that. I think it's time to bring the glove back. Maybe wipe it off first. The black doesn't come through. Must be time for the white. Oh, that was definitely not the white I was using earlier. This might be an epic fail, unless I figure something out pretty quick. I got 2 minutes left. And there's a lot of obnoxious stuff going on there. I'm trying to think of any of the methods that I thought I would use when I have been stuck before. Like, do something irregular. Really, really super irregular. I think if I had a straw, I would use it, but since I don't, Okay, finally, something I like. It's a crazy thing. Make sure there's no canvas showing and get ready to use my torch. Maybe, just maybe, a swipe card first. I think so. Is that the one I want to use, though? That's the question. Do I have a smaller one? Oh, come out. Alright, let's go for nothing. Let's go for broke. That's kind of cool. That's definitely different. That's very cool, actually, and very different. So, I don't know if it'll be something else tomorrow, but for right now, I'm going to torch. To release any bubbles in the paint. I see that. Where did I see it? Okay, there. I see it right there. I want some black paint in there. So shop my Amazon link at no added cost to you, and it helps me out. Give me a thumbs up, please, and it will bring me back to keep doing more videos for you guys every day. If you like what I do, that's the best way to help me out. If you're interested in entering this month's contest, you'll find it on the end screens in the last 20 seconds of the video, along with my website. My website being in the bottom right-hand corner. I just needed that pop of color. Whether I can get myself to leave it or not is another question. But I'm going to go back to torching in a minute anyway. I'm unexpectedly pleased with this, and I love you guys. You guys are almost 78,000 right now. This will go to show you that you can make something really wild and abstract expressionist out of something that you thought was a complete loss. Because I was right there with that. There is no silicone in my mix. I do use GAC 800 by Golden, 2 parts GAC 800 to 8 parts paint before I add my Floetrol and decor pouring medium. My recipe is below the video, along with Pinterest and Instagram and Twitter feeds. And my paint pouring recipe, I said that, yes. If you are looking for a Facebook group, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation is for students. I got some touch-up, but I think I got some paint around here someplace. And Expressionist Art Studio Gallery for fans and collectors is for fans and collectors. And I'm right, I do have plenty of paint around here on my tile. And this is unlike anything I've ever done before. Thank you, Heather. And I love you all. Please come back and watch some more videos. There are over 765 on the end screens. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, looking for paint to stick on the edges, and I will be finding it when you're gone. You guys take care. Hope to see you soon. Bye for now. Don't forget the thumbs up. It really, really, really helps. Yeah, just can't keep my skewer out of nothing. Alright. I didn't do any harm. I love you guys. Bye for now. Ooh, zoom out so you can see the whole thing. Fill that little piece of missing canvas right there. Yep, now we're good. No more canvas showing. See you guys soon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.